Hey guys, happy Monday, Tuesday. Got a new kit review to do. This is the 1998 Lost in Space Jupiter 2 and by ertl, and it's a big one. Try to get it all in here. It says Danger Will Robinson up there. Well, let's take a look. So we have our decals. They're not terrible shape. I might have to clear over them first. Got our instructions. Nice little blueprinter catalog. Kind of cool. We have our glass, which I'm not going to open. And we got this brochure, 50 years at AMT for 1998. Here's our side pieces. A lot of cool detail on there. Here's our base. It says Lost in Space Jupiter 2. Here's the rest of our base and back of the engine. Here's another part of the ship. Here's some more pieces of it. This will be fun to weather. Here's the bottom. Really do a lot of detail work on this. Some more side pieces. Here is, I'm going to assume this is the bottom, because that lens piece I think goes in there. And we got a lot of little parts that are off the trees. But overall, pretty cool kit. Can't wait to build it. And weather it so it looks like it's been in space a long time. What? You have to wait a minute. While I'm at it, I'll give you a little update on the Tamiya motorcycle I'm building. Other than that, you guys all have a great day.